Guys, 7:25 a.m. Tuesday morning. The sun is just gonna pop up. It's gonna be a beautiful day and we're gonna catch it. But look at that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Yeah, baby. Hey guys, we just want to check this out. Beautiful morning. It's about 7:30 now. Isn't that beautiful?
10:30?
7:30.
Oh, that's a little better.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, we got some more guys here. We're gonna take them over to the moose. And we'll be right back. Presenting the executive, okay? The newest hut for icecabins.com. Okay guys, here we go. New day, new report. Got some new guests. We just freshened up the holes. They're doing a little bit of maintenance here, cleaning out the holes. But we're expecting big things from you dudes today. Where are we from?
Woodstock.
Okay.
Intercube.
Okay, how was the ride this morning? You guys 2 hours on the road?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so we're getting ready. Couple more minutes. You guys will be sitting down in your underwear in no time. Anyway.
For sure.
Yeah, okay, so we'll catch up with you guys. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.